Make beautiful coin pouches at home. It's small but very useful. Cut jeans from pocket side. Measurements are given. 2 pieces of same size. For lining, cut any old cloth. Attach interfacing if you have both parts. Now sew the zip. Secure it and stitch. Top stitch. Attach another part to the zip. Secure and sew it. Now sew like this all around, leaving the small space. Flip the bag straight. Sew the leaving space. Now your pouch is ready. Looks very nice. Now sew a cloth coin pouch. Make a circle of 10 cm radius at cloth. Secure it with pins and cut it. It looks like a circle. Sew the circle all around, leaving the space of 4 cm. Flip the cloth circle. And top stitch all around. Fold from 2 sides as shown in the video. Stitch both sides. Now fold from bottom. Attach a small handle. Secure it. And sew from 3 sides. Both sides sew with needles like this. Fold it to mark the center point. And attach a magnet button. Or you sew a simple button also. And now it's ready to use. If you like, please comment.